In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge audio and video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's jump straight into it. First, make sure you already have a Premiere Pro project open and that both your video clip and your separate audio file are imported into the project. You should also have both of them placed on the timeline, roughly in the same area, so they're easy to see together. It doesn't have to be perfectly aligned yet. Premiere will handle the precise syncing for you. On your timeline, locate the video clip that has the original camera array audio attached, as well as the separate audio clip, for example from an external microphone or audio recorder. To tell Premiere that these two belong together, you need to select them at the same time. Click once on the video clip to highlight it. Then, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and while still holding Shift, click on the audio clip. You should now see that both clips are highlighted, meaning they are selected together. With both clips selected, move your mouse over either one of them and right-click. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, choose Merge Clips. This tells Premiere that you want to create a new combined clip using the selected audio and video. After you click Merge Clips, a pop-up window will appear with a few different settings for how Premiere should sync things. Look for the option that says Use audio timecode from clip, and make sure that box is checked. This option instructs Premiere to analyze the audio waveforms or timecode from your clips so it can line them up accurately for you. It's generally the most reliable way to sync if your camera audio and external audio were recorded at the same time. Once you've checked Use audio timecode from clip, go ahead and click OK. Premiere will process the clips for a moment. When it's done, you won't see the change directly on the timeline right away. Instead, look down at your project panel, usually located at the bottom left of the screen. There, you'll find a brand new clip that contains both the merged video and the merged audio. From now on, you can treat this merged clip like any other clip in your project. Just drag it from the project panel onto your timeline and edit as usual, knowing your high-quality audio is perfectly synced with your video. And that's it. You've successfully merged your audio and video in Adobe Premiere Pro.